today's classes. How are you all? Feeling well? Great. So now it's time to come out of your bed. I hope you all must have done that 1 hour before when we shared prayer and yoga session. So all fit, completed your yoga, isn't it? Okay. Had your proper breakfast? Great. So class, now it's time to begin with our today's classes. So can anyone tell me what is the day today? Because yesterday you enjoyed a holiday. So what's the day today? Today is Monday. Yes, and the date is 14th December. So class, we are going to start with English subject, isn't it? You all know how you have to do the reading. Let's begin. What's all written on the board? What is the date, everything? So, you all will be reading the board today with me and then we will resume our today's topic. Clear? Now tell me, 14th December 2020. What day is written here? You all know your days of the week. So, read the spelling. What's written here? Monday. Yes, Monday is written here. Now what is this? Class UKG. Great. Now read your subject. What subject we are going to do today? English. Okay. Now topic. Can you read the topic? What I have written here? Now you have to start practicing your reading work also. So can you read the topic written here? What I have mentioned here? SH. ठीक है, साउंड अभी हम समझेंगे. So it is SH sound words. Yes, we are going to learn about this topic today. But before beginning with it, can anyone tell me which all sounds we have done till now? Yes, since April मैम आपको sounds ही sounds पढ़ाई जा रही है. तो how many all different sounds you have done? Come on, come fast. We have done first 5 sounds. Which were those? The vowels. Yes, first we have learned about different vowels. Now, can anyone tell me what are vowels? Yes? A, E, I, O, U. So these are the 5 vowels. And from where we got them? From the alphabetical series. Yes, कुछ को याद है? Rest of you have forgotten. So we have 26 alphabets, isn't it? When we write A to Z, we have 26 alphabets, and out of those 26 alphabets, we have 5 vowels. You remember that? So the 5 vowels are A, E, very good, I, O, U, and rest of the 21 alphabets are referred as consonants. Yes, they are the consonants. Now, after completing those 5 sounds, we did double E, double O. So, when we have double E, what is the difference in the sound? Single E और double E के words में sound में क्या difference आता है? The sound stretch a little. Not only with E, it can be with any alphabet. कोई भी alphabet जब repeat हो रहा है, I told you ना, if any of the alphabet is repeated, हम उसको 2 बार लिख रहे हैं, then the sound of that alphabet also stretch a little. Stretch मतलब थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आती है. Clear? Like we have wool. Double O है, तो U पे हमने थोड़ा सा stretch किया. Wool. Sheep. Isn't it? Then any double E sound word, can you tell me? Tree. E. Isn't it? Then double O mein one we had bull. Then next word, yes, anyone can bring up? Balloon. Bull. Double L आया तो हमने bull. Oon. Balloon. Double L और double O था. So we have to stretch on double L also and double O also. Got that? Okay, in the previous class, I have told you one sound. Can you tell me that? You remember we did this? together, what sound was coming out? Ch, as in chair. Then we have chain. Then we have chips. Then we have chimpanzee. Chimp, you remember that? Then what else we have? Yes, class? Chick, chess, isn't it? So when we talked about C and H, the sound that came out was ch. C, H together, ch. Now today we will understand when S and H are written together, then how we have to spell it. Understood? So for that, first you have to tell me about these pictures. They are all pretty, I can say, familiar to you. You all can identify them. So can you tell me the name of these pictures? Let's begin with this one. So who's it? Tell me. The one who gives us wool. So again, double O, wool. So who gives us wool? Double E में we have learned this word. Sheep. Yes, sheep. So you all know how to write the spelling. Now tell me the spelling here. Yes. So this is the spelling. Am I right? Because it was a double E sound word, you learned it. Then we have also learned it in EVS. Now when we are pronouncing it, how you are spelling it? Tell me. What sounds are coming out of your mouth? Sheep. Clear? Now let me write some more words and then we will find the similarity. At that point of time you will understand what is the sound of this S and H. Okay? Now, what is this that we wear? Yes, class? It's a shoe. Yes, we wear shoes now. So, it's a shoe. One we have. So, I'll write shoe here. So, it's a shoe. Now, see. Just speak the word sheep, shoe and tell me what sound you can see. Can you tell me that? Okay, what is this? It's not a boat. Boat small वाली होती है. When we have bigger one, जो बहुत सारे लोगों को सामान को carry करती है from one place to another, then it is not a boat. It is something called ship. Now there is a difference between sheep and ship. Clear? This is sheep and this is ship. So how we write that? Ship. Sound का difference देखिए. Double E and I. So don't get confused. Don't mix them. Clear? So when we talk about this word, we say it sheep. When we talk about this, we call it ship. Now I have written three words here. Ship, shoe, sheep. What is the similarity? SH. And what sound is coming in the beginning for this SH? Sheep, ship, shoe. So the sound that is coming is sh. Yes. Sh. Sh and her when mixed together. Sorry, sir and her when mixed together. See, S की sound sir है और H की sound her है. So when S and H are mixed together, what sound is coming? Sh. Sh. Sheep. Sh. Shoe. Isn't it? Ship. Sh. कोई sound नहीं आ रही, just air is coming out and that air is making this sound. Your teeth, you have to open your lips. Teeth आपके join रहेंगे, upper jaw और lower jaw join रहेगा, and the air that comes out will make this sound. Understood? This is how you will make it. Sheep, shoe, Again, sh. But in English we call it shell. What we call it? Shell. How we write it? See? Shell. Again, sh. L sound word hai, and when we mix L with sh, it becomes shell. Clear? Hindi में इसको बोलते हैं शंख. And where we find them? Can anyone tell me? समुद्र किनारे मिलता है. Yes, ये deep sea जो होती है ना, बहुत गहरे गहरे समुद्रों में नीचे होता है. But when the waves come, जब लहरें आती हैं, तो आप कभी बीच पे जाओगे, you will find कि वहां पे बहुत सारे होते हैं. Clear? So what it is? It's a shell. Now, अब ये क्या है? Yes. Fish. Very good. Again, fish is a sh sound word. How? See, अब अगर beginning में नहीं है, end में है, then also we will count it as sh sound word है ये. Fish. Fish. But which fish is it? Shark. You remember? हमने जो water animals किए थे, I have told you, a big giant fish. Shark. Yes. Now you have to make the spelling. से क्या हुआ? Shark. See how it is easy to make the spellings with the sound. Shark. Fish. Now what is this? आप बोलोगे मैम ये तो नाइफ है. नाइफ में तो कहीं पे श की आवाज नहीं आई. नाइफ कैसा होता है? शार्प. Isn't it? बहुत शार्प होता है. As you sharp your pencil, sharpener में sharp करते हैं. Sharpener again. Your sharpener is also a sh sound word. Then you sharpen your pencil, है ना? तो वो नोक बन जाती है. Same knife बहुत sharp होता है. It cut down the things. So this is for sharp. Sharp. So knife is sharp. Clear? Then tell me one thing. When there is sun outside, जब बाहर sun होता है, धूप होती है, and if you go, or even during the night time when you switch on the light, तो अगर आपकी light, if you are standing here and see light is coming from this side, तो यहाँ पे एक हमारी ही image बनती है. What we call that? Black कलर की दिखती है ना, वो हम ही होते हैं. So what we call that? Shadow. Yes, we call that shadow. क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको? Shadow. हमारी जो परछाई हो जाती है, हम कहते हैं ना, देखो हमारी परछाई. And sometimes we play making these animals like this on the wall. So what is that? Shadow. How we write that? Shadow. तो shadow क्या होती है? परछाई होती है हमारी. Okay. Tell me something. When you go for a shower, again shower. Shower. Isn't it? So one more word. जब हम बात लेने जाते हैं, shower. Again, one S sound word. One more word I'm going to tell you. When we go for a shower, what we use to clean our hair? जब आपको हेयर क्लीन करने होते हैं तो क्या यूज करते हो आप? What do you use? Shampoo. Again, shampoo. Isn't it? So let's write that. Shampoo. Poo. Double O. See, so many words we have. आ गया, double O आ गया. So it's all about playing with alphabets. It's all about playing with alphabets. आप different alphabets को जोड़िए. Try to make out the sounds, and you will find that there are so many funny words. आपको अगर कोई word बनाना है, just take out, do one thing. जैसे अब you can take alphabets of your name, your father's name, your mother's name, join them and try to make out the sounds that are coming after joining. See, it will be a fun game. You will make funny words out of it. Clear? So this is all about the game alphabets, the game of sound. So class, today we have learned that whenever S and H are written together, we blend their sounds and the sound that comes out is sh. Clear? sh proper नहीं होगा. Fish. Now I say shh. Keep quiet. Again I am saying shh. Isn't it? So this is that shh only. Okay? Now when you are opening your cupboard to take out, again you are shut. Shut means close करना. किसी चीज को बंद करना. That is shut. Clear? How we write that? We write that like this. Shut. One more word. Shut means I always, whenever mama is, now the cold wind is going on, mama बोलती है ना, please shut the door. मतलब close the door. Shut the window. You have to close it. So shut is when you are closing. Understood? It is used for doors and windows. Clear? So class, S and H. The sound that is coming out is shh. Now say with me all the words once again. Let's revise. Shh. Shut. Sheep. Shell. Shark. Shoes. Shoe only, okay? Shoes or shoe. Shampoo. Shark. Shadow. Fish. Shower. Ship. Then we have dish. Dish क्या होती है? In which we have our food. Wish. जब हम भगवान से कोई wish मांगते हैं. In these words SH is coming at the end. So that is again wherever SH is coming either in the beginning or at the end, sound will remain same. Shh. Clear? Cash. Cash is money. जो हम money markets में purchasing के लिए use करते हैं, that is called cash. Isn't it? So there are lot of words. Now what you have to do is, after completing your today's classwork and homework, which I'll just tell, you have to make a small video, and it is a compulsory video. Those who will not make it will be marked absent today. So you have to make a small video in which you will keep 5-6 SH sound word things which are available nearby. You have to tell their name in a show and tell type of activity. Like this, you will pick up the object and you will tell. For example, if this is, just think it of shoe. So you can pick and say shoe. So you can take your shoe and say, ma'am, this is shoe. Clear? This is how you have to do an activity today. Clear? So your today's classwork to be done on page number 84. Book page number 84. So this is your today's classwork. As usual, homework we are going to do in notebook, practicing these pictures and words. I'll show you how to do that. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our today's work in notebook as today's homework. Clear? So what do you have to do? Take out your English notebook, write down today's date. So what is that? 14 December 2020. After writing the date, please mention homework here. And then write down the topic. Shh. Sound words. Shh. Sound words. So you have to spell it as sound only. Don't spell it as SH. Just spell it as your sound. So it is shh, sound words. So now what is this? A knife, which is sharp. Yes, which is sharp. So let's write that. Sharp. Who's it? One who gives us wool. It's a sheep. Sheep. Okay, what is this? Shank. And what we call it? Something that we get near the sea? Shell. Shell. Now what's that? It's a shoe. It's a fish, or you can write shark, anything. Shark. Now what is the next picture? Can anyone tell me? It's a ship. So after this, let us write some more words in which SH is coming at the end. What's that? Cash. Then we have wash. So what is wash? Hand wash. Wash your hands. Wash. Isn't it? So class, you are going to write all these words 3 times in your notebook and draw these pictures also. So how 3 times? I'll tell you. One for one word, like this is one you have written. Again, sharp. Once more, sharp. Sharp. So whenever you are writing, write your work with proper sounds, and then it will be easy for you all to learn them also. आपको लर्न करने के लिए ना इनकी स्पेलिंग्स को रटने की, क्रैम करने की कोई नीड नहीं होगी. Clear? So this is how you are going to do your homework today for sound words. Clear? So class, you have understood how you are going to do your notebook work, your homework, and in book you have to write down the words for the pictures given, and after that I have also assigned you a small activity work where you have to do a video shoot. Please do that show and tell activity and share this video by today evening itself. Clear? And I'll be and the best 5 videos will be shared in the group to see for everyone. So now it's you, if you want to become the best 5, just share your videos the best you can. Okay? Best 5 videos I'll share in the group. Bye for now. Take care.